So let's talk about why you're not getting any press. Well, I recently got something in my inbox and I'll put it here just so you guys can see it. But basically, somebody just emailed me out of the blue. I have no idea who they are. And they're like, interviews available, new book, blah, blah, blah. It tells me all about these people. Like, I'm supposed to be like, yay, like a giddy girl because some interviews are available and they want to be on my podcast. No, it's not anyone really great. It's not Oprah or Beyonce or something. Like, why do I give a bleep? And the reality of the situation is when you are sending something, it is a sales document. When I get that email, it should be so clear that your person or whoever is such an amazing guest on my podcast. You should know what my podcast is about, the type of things that I talk about on my podcast. And you say, I want to introduce you to X. This person will be able to share this with your audience. And I think your audience of X, because you know who my audience is, because you've done your research, would love it because blah, blah, blah. Then you can go into all of your stuff that I'm probably not going to read, which is all of your bio information and things like that. But tell me in the first paragraph, the first sentence, why I should care and why I should read. Otherwise, you will not get anything from your PR efforts and it's just going to end up in junk.